Hello, this is Emma of EmmaLiveYoga and welcome to day 13 of our 30-day Ashtanga Yoga Challenge for beginners. So today we have our first standing balance, which is Utthita Hasta Padagunthasana, which can be quite a challenging balance. So I'll be giving you some different options when we get to that point. So we'll begin from seated, all fours, or standing. Choose your base. Take a few moments to connect with the breath. Observe how you're feeling in body, mind, and spirit. Connect with your Ujjayi breath as we begin with the opening chant. Take a breath in. Om. Vande Gurunam Charana Vinde Samdasht Satsva Sufara Bote Neshte Se Jankai Kayamani Samsala Muha Shantie Abahu Purushakaram Shankachakrasi Tarinam Sahasrashvarasam Shvetam Pranamani Patanjalim Om. So coming to Samastiti, come to the front of the mat or stay exactly as you are. Surya Namaskar A. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Remember, you can bend your knees. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice, take it easy. Exhale to dog. One, so just easing into this first sun salute. Two, relax the neck and the head, establish your drishti. Three, if you're seated on all fours, just really relax the back of the head as you forward fold. Four. And five. Look forward. Inhale, come through, step, jog or jump. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lift. Exhale, Samastiti heel. We've done one more. I'm going to come down to seated just to remind you, it's been a while, those of you who got working from seated. Surya Namaskar A, round two. Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale to lengthen. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. One. Deep breathing. Two. If you're on all fours, you just let the head down go. Three. Establish the breath. Good. Four. Five. Look forward. Inhale, come through, step, jog or jump. Exhale to fold. Let go of the head. Inhale to lift. Exhale, Samastiti. So Surya Namaskar B. Going to do this from an all fours base just as a reminder. Inhale, sit back. So that's your chair pose if you're standing. Exhale to fold. Go overhead. Inhale to lift the heart space. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Right leg. Inhale, right leg, palms touch. Might wobble, it's all right. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift, back bend of choice. Exhale to dog. Left leg. Inhale, left leg, palms touch. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. One. So this version, you're in an extended child. Two, if you're in downward dog, firm the muscles of the legs, reach the heels to the floor. Three, if you're in seated, just drop the chin to the chest. Four, maximize the breath. And five, look forward. Inhale, come through, step, jog or jump. Exhale to fold, let go of the head. Inhale, sit back, palms together and lift. Exhale, Samastiti. Good. So from here, coming up to standing, everybody, we've got Utthita Hasta Padagunthasana, hand to foot pose, A variation. Bring the hands to the hips and then slide the hands up to the waist. Grip the toes of the mat with your right foot. Good. So then from here, you can do a planted version of this where you stay on the ball of the foot or the big toe and use that to really lift the sternum, lift the crown of the head. So that's an option. Another option, really squeeze the pelvic floor. You might be able to lift and take hold of the back of the thigh or the shin. Just see what's doable. 1. You might stay here. Remember to grip the toes into the mat. 2, if this is easy for you, you might reach down the inside, take hold of the big toe, double finger loop like we've done on previous occasions. 3, if that's easy, you might begin to push out through the heel, beginning to straighten the leg. 4, try and drop the outer hip down and lift up through the inner thigh. If this is easy, you can lean forward, gaze towards the big toe. And 5, any of those options is fine. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, take the leg to the side and the head in the opposite direction. 1, so for your modification, you might just take the knee out to the side, look in the opposite direction. 2, if you've got the leg lifted, thigh or shin, same thing. 3, make sure your grip on your waist is strong. It helps you to stabilize. 4, you might be kind of halfway to straightening. Just see, these are all the options you could potentially take. 5, that's B variation. We'll come to C variation. Inhale, bring head and gaze back to center. And exhale, fold forward over the leg, either bent or straight, doesn't matter. Inhale, lift up. Then exhale, bring both hands to the waist, point the toes. 1, so you might be up here. You might bend the knee. 2, you might bend the knee and have the leg lower down. 3, it's a strong pose, so keep lifting it through the core. You might have your big toe down, knee forward. 5, exhale, Samasthiti. Enjoyed that so much. We're going to repeat it to the opposite side. Are you ready? So gripping the toes of the left foot, same again. Utthita Hasta Padagunthasana A variation, entering. 1, remember your options here. 2, keep standing tall, grip the mat. 3, so I'm just showing you all the options, you take what's best for you. 4, and 5. Inhale, lift the head, B variation, exhale, leg to the side, head to the side. 1, try to do that simultaneously if you can. 2, so I'll work down through the options. 3, if you fall over, just start again. I'm making it look easy because I've done it for over 20 years. 4, it's not easy, particularly if your head is really busy. And 5, inhale, come back to center. Exhale, fold over the front leg, C variation. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, straighten the front leg if you can. 1, foot can stay on the floor. 2, you might do a little lift. 3, you might have a bent knee. 4, you might be able to point the toes, just see. 5, exhale, lower down. Well done, everybody. Just have a little sway for comforts. And we'll go to the final 3. Ready? Inhale to lift. Exhale to fold. Come back down to seated as you need to. Inhale to lift. Exhale, legs back and lowering. Inhale to lift, back bend. Exhale to dog. Inhale, step dog or jump through to seated. Good. Make sure you're sitting comfortably for Baddha Padmasana. Choose your options. Inhale, exhale, entering. 1. So this should be familiar to you now. 2. Remember your drishti. 3. Don't force the forward fold. 4. Allow the breath to kind of surrender you into it. 5. 6. We'll keep the eyes open, but relax the face. 7. 8, doing really well, 9, 10. Squeeze the pelvic floor, inhale, lift up, exhale, Padmasana, inhale, lengthen, exhale, entering. 1, same Dristi, Nasagrai. 2, listen to your knees. If they're talking to you, change position. 3, steady breath. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, stay focused. 9, gaze is trained, Dristi is trained. 10, inhale, lift up, exhale, release, Utthita, plant the hands, inhale, exhale, lifting. 1, remember your options here. 2, you go down, try and come back up. 3, you can round the knees in, fold forwards. 4, 5, with this hollow body shape, good. 6, nearly there. 7, if you want to try to lift up, lean back, try and lift in the feet. 8, doing really well. 9, stay. And 10, exhale, release, circle out the wrist. Well done. We got a final vinyasa to freedom. You can do that from seated, or you can hide the feet, step or jump back into your plank position. Exhale. Inhale to lift. Exhale to dog. Inhale, come through. And lay all the way down. Good. Open palms, open heart, floppy ankles. Take a big inhale. Exhale. And again, big inhale. Exhale. And again, last one, big inhale. Exhale. So we begin to absorb the prana, the positive life force energy from the practice. I hope you're beginning to feel the benefits of doing just 10 minutes a day, what a difference it can make. Taking this time to rest for a short time. If you wish to stay longer, press pause, feel free. Otherwise, deepen the breath. Bringing some movements to fingers and toes as you move the head from side to side. And then inhale, reach, big body stretch. Exhale. And bending at the knees and the elbows, gather the knees in for a squeeze, saying thank you, body, for coping with all of that. And then roll over to one side. Drop the bones heavy, feel that moment of surrender and peace. And then inhale as you lever yourself up, coming to comfortable seated. Bring the hands to Anjali Mudra. Sit tall, lift the heart space, and exhale as we give thanks for our practice and our health. In this inner sunshine. And then inhale, lift the prayer hands up. Exhale to center. Namaste. So well done, everybody. Thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed the class, hit the like button, subscribe, come and find me on Instagram. Lots of yoga inspiration there to keep you going, and have a great day.